Howdy. So in today's vlog I'm going to be going up Snowdon. Now my plan is that I'm going to go up a not the most popular route. It's by all accounts it's one of the more difficult routes to go up. It's called the South Ridge route. Now the South Ridge route, you start off on the Rhyd Ddu route, and instead of going up by the Rhyd Ddu route, you take I believe this is right, you turn right. When you go up, there's like a little quarry path. You turn right and you follow that path up, which takes you up to a place that, sorry, I just can't pronounce it, apologies to our Welsh cousins, but it's Bwlch Cwm something or other. Again, apologies, I can't pronounce it. There's just too many vowels and consonants in there. Once across that, then that takes me up over the South Ridge, and yeah, that should then take me up the steep climb to Snowdon. Just arrived at the car park. It's well, I arrived here about half hour ago. It's now 10 to 7. The sun is just starting to creep over the hills. Don't know whether you can make that out over there, but it's looking beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. So I'm hoping it's better than my last jaunt out to Helvellyn, where it was very, very misty over the tops. But yeah, it's looking really, really pleasant. There's no wind either, which is good, but I dare say that'll change once I get up. I'm not taking my drone out today because it's just too much to carry with all my stuff. So less talking. Let's crack on with it. I'll speak to you in a bit. So, as you can see, the sun has got his hat on. It looks like it's coming out to play. Still no clouds in the sky, absolutely perfect day. Other than the wind, the wind's slightly getting up. It's just a breeze at the moment, but I think I'm in a bit of a sheltered area. So I've come past all the mining works, and I've met the path from Nant Gwynant. Sorry if that's the wrong pronunciation, but there you go. And I'm just about to start the incline to the South Ridge. I don't know whether you can see that. So it's a bit of a scrabble up there, but I'm assured that there will be some proper steps a little bit further up. So yeah, so far so good. The climb so far pretty easy going, to be fair. Through the mining works, I mean there was a hell of a lot of slate. It was a little bit slippy, if I'm being honest. But nothing, you know, a novice walker such as myself can't handle. There is a bit of a steep incline there, but nothing that needs you to get on all fours or anything like that. This one looks like to be the first test, so I think we should do it. Let's do this. So I'm more than halfway up now. Legs are starting to ache a little, if I'm being honest. I've been having trouble with my knee as well. That's starting to give me a little bit of jip, but nowhere near as bad as what I thought it would be. But I mean, look at that. Look at that for scenery. Doesn't matter how much pain you're in. Seeing scenery like that just brings you alive. Absolutely fantastic. Can't beat that. I thought Helvellyn was beautiful, but this is something else. Really, really stunning. Absolutely stunning. Still got a bit more to go. This is where things get a little bit tricky. I said in my last video, not great with heights. Do feel a little bit more confident now, but yeah, a little bit apprehensive, if I'm being honest. Some guys are following me up now, so I've just seen another two people. I don't know whether they're practicing for DV. They're only young guys, so you know what, I might let them lead the way just in case I get lost, because the wind's getting up and getting your map out in the wind up here. If it blows off, you've had it. You ain't getting it back, not unless you want to walk a couple of miles to try and get it back, walk down a mountain. Right, enough of me yabbering on. Time to do a bit more work. Speak to you in a bit. So that's the South Ridge pretty much done. Yeah, tiring, definitely. It also seemed a lot higher than Striding Edge. The wind didn't help because it kept pushing me to one side, so I was like hanging on. But wow, what a view! What a view! I mean, the mist has slightly come in. There tends to be a lot more cloud cover now than what they were before. The sun's gone in. It's not great anymore. It's cold. There's a dampness in the air. It's certainly not raining, and the cloud isn't low-lying cloud. But yeah, the wind, the cold, and the place, it just looks. How can I describe it? Broken. I think that's the best way of describing it. It's just it's very craggy, but very worn. I mean, the paths, to be fair, have been pretty good. Surprised me. To say that it's one of the least used routes, the paths have been quite good. But I think the fact that the path now is very well worn is because a lot of other routes are converging into this one. It's only about another 600 yards up. So yeah, I should be there in the next sort of half hour, because I keep stopping and having a break, give my old knee a rest. But loving it. Oh wow. And I bet in the summer it's absolutely stunning. If you get a clear day up here, wow, it must be amazing. Absolutely amazing. But that said, you know, I'm enjoying myself. It's great. I'm out and about. Yeah, love it. Love it. Right, I'll speak to you when I get to the top. So, made it to the top, another summit done. It's just started to clear. When I first came up it was really misty, but the mist is just lifting now, so I'll probably spend another 10-15 minutes here, try and get a few more nice shots. It's busier than I thought it would be, to be quite honest. Quite a few up here, but listening and talking to a few of them, the route that they've all, well, generally most of them have come up is from Llanberis. So it looks like I've got a lonely trek back down the Rhyd Ddu path. I don't know whether to go the full way down to Rhyd Ddu or go back via the South Ridge again. I'm not sure. I'm going to get the map out. The Rhyd Ddu it's a lot shorter, and to be quite honest, my knee is absolutely killing me. So I think there's a chance that that's the route I'm going to take. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, so another one done. Happy days. Absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. The scenery is it's magnificent. It really is. Thought Helvellyn was nice, but this is, yeah, it's something else. Really is. Recommend it to anybody. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed the vid. Please like, subscribe, comment, good or bad. I'm still trying to improve my videos. So any constructive criticism would be greatly appreciated. If you could, yeah, leave a comment, that would be fantastic. Right, I'll sign off now. Peak drone pilot. No drone footage, unfortunately, but it's way too windy. Don't want to risk that. So, but maybe next week I'll try and get out with the drone and get some footage. Speak to you soon, guys. Laters.